my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Now my peeps, let's get into this video. Now my peeps, this recipe is courtesy of my followers. They want me to make a vanilla cake, alright? The oil I'm using is the canola oil, okay? Half teaspoon salt, cup and a half of flour. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoon baking powder, alright, and we're just gonna sieve this together. Sieving the flour incorporate the mixture and it's gonna make the flour airy and light, okay? I'm gonna set this aside, okay? All right, in a bowl I'm gonna use my hand mixer, but if you have the stand one, you can use it. And now my peeps, I have quarter cup of butter, and you want to make it soft like room temperature. All right, cup of canola oil, half cup of sugar. You can use 3/4 cup if you like it really sweet. So I have 1/3 cup of milk, and I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of yogurt. So just that's 1, 2, 3. All right, and we're gonna set this aside. All right, my peeps, we're gonna whisk this until it becomes fluffy somewhat or incorporate together. All right, we're gonna leave it at that. Add 3 eggs, but we're gonna add them one by one. And I'm gonna take the whites out. Add them one by one. Now I'm gonna pour like a teaspoon of lemon juice, and I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons vanilla. 1. We're gonna add the flour and the milk gradually, okay? So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of flour. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of whipped cream, about 1/4 cup, and I'm gonna put the rest of my milk mixture here. Just about 1/4 cup. We're gonna put about half teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're gonna whip this together. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and just whip it again. All right guys, this is okay, and I'm just gonna spoon about 4 tablespoons, and I'm just gonna fold it in. Just put a little oil and the sides, and then I'm going to put some greaseproof paper in the bottom. I'm going to give this a little mix, and we're going to scoop it out here. Shake, 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 top. We're going to pop this in the oven for about 50 minutes to 1 hour. And this is the cake, super soft, So when you insert something in the middle, it should come up clear. All right, so I'm gonna let this cool down. So this is the rest of the cream with ice-cream sugar. It's not much, so guys, I'm just gonna put it all over it like that. And I didn't make it too sweet, okay? I just put a little bit of ice-cream sugar. Guys, it don't have to be fancy or anything, all right? It's just a cake you're making at home, okay? So don't bother go overdo it. You can go ahead and put whatever topping you want. I have these beads. They're like, I don't know, chocolate must be inside of them or something. Just gonna put some. If I can get the color I want, guys, I'm gonna put it in my hand. Just choose just choose the color I want from it like that. I'm gonna go in with some blue. I'm gonna just tap that there. All right, guys, and then that's it. I know I have some silver pearls. They're a little bit finer, and I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit over it like that. Not So that's it, guys. Now I'm just gonna cut it and show you how the inside looks, okay? Gonna cut into it and show you. I'm just gonna use this spatula. Super moist, all right? Oh my goodness. Can you see that, guys? Yes. I'm just gonna cut into it and show you. You see how moist it is? There it is. Here, Sonny, taste it. My daughter is tasting it. Tell me how it tastes, Sonny. Is it good? All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. My daughter said it's good, so it's a pass. Bye, guys.